स्टडी IQ IAS, अब तैयारी हुई अफोर्डेबल।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है करम योगी दिवाकर बोत्रा और सबका स्वागत करता हूं अपनी सीरीज आंसर राइटिंग इन 7 मिनट्स। आज सोशियोलॉजी का एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं पेपर 1 2022 से। हाउ डू सोशियोलॉजिस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट जेंडर इन देयर एनालिसिस ऑन सोशल इनइक्वालिटी। ये कुछ स्ट्रक्चर है, एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो आप। इंट्रोडक्शन में सेक्स और जेंडर के बारे में बताओ, बॉडी के अंदर बताओ कि सोशियोलॉजी में कैसे जेंडर को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया, अंडरस्टैंड किया गया, और कंक्लूजन में मैंने एक कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया INM जिसको आगे एलॉबरेट कर दूंगा। सोशियोलॉजी का बैच 18 जुलाई से स्टार्ट हो रहा है। हेड टू टो सिलेबस कवर करूंगा एंड आई डोंट हैव टू से यू अगेन एंड अगेन। एक बार प्रीवियस सीरीज देखो मेरी सोशियोलॉजी इन 10 मिनट्स। अगर आपको समझ में आता उस तरीके से सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ना हो, अगर आप चाहते हो गेट इनटू द बैच एंड आई एश्योर यू उसके बाद आपको एक पढ़ना तो दूर एक वर्ड भी नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा। इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले आपको लिखना है द सेक्स इज कंसिडर्ड एज बायोलॉजिकल एंड जेंडर इज कंसिडर्ड एज सोशल इन नेचर। अर्लियर the inequalities were studied on the basis of biological inequalities where men and women were differentiated because of their physical construct. But later, the sex was replaced by gender as it was opined that sex is only a difference. Inequality is largely a manifestation of discriminations. The sociologists have studied gender from different perspectives. In the initial phase, the sociologists largely opined based upon the various philosophies of scholars such as Plato and Aristotle that gender is a biological construct, that the division between men and women is because of the difference in their respective biologies. But however, this was later rejected by the various social anthropological studies of Margaret Mead and others, where it was opined that the gender is not a biological construct, rather than it's a social construct. That is, the differences does exist, but however, the gender as a form of inequality is not a divinely manifestation, but it is a social creation. Ruth Benedict, in her study of Zuni Indians and Quaticul society, highlighted that in these societies, the women went for hunting and the men largely did the household jobs, clearly advocating that it was not the biology of women which made them inferior. As if this was the case, then the women in every society should have done the domestic labor. Therefore, the social construct or the cultural construct replaced the biological construct. With the advent of the radical feminist, we see that these feminists even rejected the notion that the gender is a social construct, rather than gender has been considered as a universal construct, that irrespective of the cultural systems and beliefs and practices, the women are more or less subordinated in every society. Hence, it clearly shows that sociology, as it progressed, it kept on developing a new hitherto analysis of the gender discriminations in society and highlighted the measures and ways in order to tackle the gender inequality present in society. Conclusion कैसे लिखना है? Conclusion में लिखो. Therefore, it can be seen that in traditional society, when the me dominated among the individuals, the collectivity, the gender was considered as a natural construct. But with the rise of reflexivity among not only the men and women, but generally throughout the society, the reflexive individual or enlightened self replaced the cultural self, which also changed the understanding of gender and its manifestation of inequality in modern society. So in the conclusion, we are using George Herbert Mead's understanding so that you understand that the things can be used beyond the context in which they are directly asked and can give you flamboyant conclusions and introductions in this manner. अगर इस तरीके से सोशियोलॉजी पढ़नी है तो जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर, ज्वाइन द बैच, यूज द कोड DIVLIFE। 18 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और सफिशिएंट होगा, थोड़ा विश्वास करो। थैंक यू।
स्टडी IQ IAS, अब तैयारी हुई अफोर्डेबल।